Hi people, this is Nettie. I'm doing it inside because there was music outside, and as soon as I came back, it just left. So what I wanted to say is that this is basil. How you call it? And why should we buy basil? Why should we put it in our daily diet? You know why? This is high in calcium, iron, magnesium, vitamin C, and also potassium, fiber, vitamin E, vitamin B. It's anti-inflammatory. It comes, because it's anti-inflammatory, it comes headaches and stomach aches. Okay? Why not buy this? And it's more to it. I just did this, just to make a small video. But it has a lot of how you call it, beneficial. I've been trying to get this plant, and I wasn't able to get it. Here it looks beautiful. Outside it looks so pale because it's not green like it looks like here. There's a camera, I think, that's making it green. But I'm gonna clean it out right there, right here. So to provoke the new leaves come out. The problem with this is that I took it because I wanted a basil. This is the type of basil that I like. The one that curves. See, it curves in. This is my favorite. You touch it, even though it looks sick, it still smells delicious. So why not? I'm going to take care of it. I'm going to be Dr. Nettie of the plants. And I know I could do it like I did with my green peppers. And they're looking beautiful. So one day I'll do a video on that one. But it's looking beautiful, and that's what I want this one to start growing leaves and starts looking beautiful, and it will get like that with the hope of God. Okay, so God bless you all. Until next time, bye bye. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to tell you. You can also drink it as tea. You boil the water with the leaves. You could add lemon, put some lemon, after you shut it off, little lemon, you shake it, and you leave it for a few minutes, to cool off a little bit, and then you drink it. You drink the tea. So, saying this, oh, and if you have mint, I'm going to do what mint has for you. So, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.